Hello, and welcome to the Library Insider Workshop, How the Heck Do eBooks Work? My name is Suzanne Odom. I'm a librarian here at the Evans Library of Florida Tech, and I'm also the liaison to the College of Aeronautics. Today, I will talk about eBooks, how to search for them, how to download, and how to save and print them. If you've used an ebook before, that is great. Hopefully, you'll learn some new information. If not, this workshop should provide you with helpful information about using eBooks. Here's a little bit of background information about eBooks. eBook stands for electronic book. It's a digitized copy of a book in which you can search, save, and print pages. Here at the Evans Library, we have access to approximately 482,000 ebooks. And our ebooks cover many different topics. You can find ebooks in a variety of ways using the library website. You can search for ebooks at our library website using OneSearch, which is the search bar located in the center of the library website homepage. You can also try using the eBooks link, and you'll find this on the website homepage under More Ways to Search. And last, you can use an ebook specific database. The Evans Library subscribes to databases that contain ebooks, and you have access to full text using your Trax account information. Here's a list of available ebook databases at the Evans Library. We have databases like Access Engineering, eBook Academic Collection, O'Reilly Learning Platform, and Springer Link ebooks, as well as others. Ebook databases have differing rules for downloading and printing. Some sites allow you to download the book in full. Others only allow a chapter or a certain number of pages to be downloaded at a time. The same applies to printing. You usually have limits to how many pages you can print at one time, depending on the database. Let's go to the library website to learn how to find ebooks. The library website URL is lib.fit.edu. We'll start with OneSearch. OneSearch is the search bar located on the library homepage. Using the OneSearch search bar, you can search for a title of an ebook, or you can search for a topic. Today, I'm looking for Women at Work. And here is our results page for the topic of Women in Work. As you can see, there are over 19 million results, a variety of types of resources like ebooks and journal articles. Looking at each record, you can tell what it is. It'll tell you. It says ebook for all of these. Here's an academic journal article and some more ebooks and lots more of things. Since we're looking specifically for ebooks, we can limit by source type to refine our results. Do that by going on the left side of the screen, look for limit by source type, check the ebooks box. All right, so that has limited our results. We now have about 400,000 ebooks about our topic. I'm going to look at a few of them and show you a few helpful things about them. We'll start with the first book. Click on the link to access it. You can see it provides you a description of what the book is about. It also tells you the database it's located in, which happens to be eBook Academic Collection, EBSCOhost. You can print, email, and save up to 100 pages at a time, and you have concurrent user level access of unlimited user access. This means that there is no limit to the amount of people that can look at the book at one time. Some books do have limits, and once that limit is reached, the book is no longer accessible until the book is returned. Below, we have the table of contents. You can go directly to a particular chapter if you want to use it that way. Or if you look at the left side of the screen, we have options for full download or PDF full text. I'll look at PDF full text first. All right, so here is the book. You can see we have scanned PDF pages. On the left, you'll see the table of contents again, where you can go directly to a chapter or a section. To advance through the pages, you can click the arrows at the bottom of the screen, and that'll go page by page. You can also choose a particular page that you want to look for and type that in the box. At the top, you will see options for saving, emailing, and printing. And remember, there's usually a limit to printing pages. You can also cite and export. On the left side, again, you can see the chapters and the things like that. So let's look at some of these links up here to see how to save and print. Clicking Save Pages will save it to PDF. It does tell you there's a page limit of 100 pages. Included in the PDF are options. You can click the current page. You can do the current page and the next however many pages, or just the section. You can also email pages. You can email them to yourself. Just put your email in the box and give it a subject. And then you can choose the number of pages that you would like to email. Printing gives you a limit of 100 pages at a time. So you can choose how many pages you want. You can choose the current page and the next up to 99 pages to reach the limit of 100, or just do the section. This database provides citation help. If you click the cite link, you will see a variety of different citation styles that you can cite this book in, including APA 7th edition and MLA 8th edition, two of the popular citation styles used at Florida Tech. Lastly, you can export. If you use a citation manager like Zotero, you can export to Zotero or other citation managers by clicking the appropriate link. Okay, so let's see how to download the full book. Click the full download book link. For this particular database, which is eBook Academic Collection, to get a full download, you need to create or sign into a MyEBSCO host account. Click the link to sign in or create the account. If you've already created an account, just sign in. If you have not, you need to sign up. Fill out the information with your name and your email address and create a password, and then create the account. I've already created an account, so I will show you what a full download looks like. Okay, so to download this full book, I need to choose a borrowing date. This database only allows us to borrow it for 1 day. You can download it as a PDF, which is really recommended for a computer desktop. It's basically an electronic image of the text you can read, but you cannot interact with it. If you choose EPUB, this is used by most e-readers and mobile devices. It's interactive, has links to footnotes, original sources, and other pages in the book, and it adjusts to the device on which you are reading it. Let's go back to our results list to look at another result. Let's look at the second result. This book is online and it comes from ProQuest Central, another ebook database. If you notice, there's not any way over here to open it or to view it, but in this area, you can see online access, and you just click the link online access to get to the book itself. We have options for reading it online, downloading the entire book, or just downloading a PDF chapter. If you just want to read it online, click Read Online. And here is the PDF of the book. On the left, you will see the table of contents for the book. You can click on one of those to go directly to the chapter, or you can use the arrows at the top of the screen to advance to the next pages. It's also possible to just enter a page number into the book, into the box, and it'll take you directly to that page. We do have options at the top for printing, downloading PDFs, as well as citing. Clicking PDF button will allow you to download a chapter. Make sure you're at the chapter that you wish to download. Clicking the printer will allow you to print a certain number of pages. You can print the current page, or you can print a certain number of pages. Note that there's a maximum amount of pages that you can print. You can also click the box with the quotes in it to get a citation. You have options. The default for this database is MLA, but you can also choose APA or another style if you desire. All right, to download the book, click Download Book. It does say you can check out this book for up to 21 days. And you get a message saying it would like you to open the book before downloading. Open the book. Notice that it takes us back to the screen we were at for reading it full text online. This arrow that points download is the full download button. It asks what device you're using, so it knows the best way to download it for you. Just follow the steps to download it. Let's go back to the home page and look at the other ways to look for ebooks. Back at the home page, scroll down till you see more ways to search and look for the eBooks link. Note that this link also searches for journals. You can type a topic or a book title, or you can even browse by discipline for your book. I will look for a particular book by typing its title. The book is the first one that's shown on the results list, and I have full text access at this EBSCO eBooks database. Click the link to get into it. We have options for a PDF full text, EPUB full text, or a full download. Another way to find books is to go directly to a specific database. Under More Ways to Search, click Databases, where you will be taken to the list of all the databases the Evans Library subscribes to. Access Engineering is a database that does have ebooks. It's great for finding engineering handbooks and textbooks. You can type a topic into the search bar or browse the books by subject, industry, and course. Or you can also just choose one of the books that are listed here. For instance, we'll look at this book, Water and Wastewater Engineering. And this is how it looks. You get a description of what the book is about, as well as a list of table of contents. Notice there is no way here to actually download the book from this page. The way this particular database works, you must go directly to each of the chapters, and then you can download PDFs. The chapter is divided into sections. Click each section to go to the next section. Note when you download the PDF, it only downloads the section that you are looking at. Then you can print or save it somewhere to your computer or on a flash drive. You can also cite by clicking the Cite button. There is an eBooks help guide under our research guides link that might be helpful for you when using eBooks. Just search for it by typing eBooks into the search box. And then it takes you to the eBooks help guide. The first page gives you an overview. The About Evans Library eBooks shows you a description of licensed Evans Library ebook databases that we subscribe to. This tab, using Evans Library eBooks, has a great chart with loan periods and downloading and printing information. Each database is listed, and it tells you the format, the checkout loan period, and how many pages you can download or print. If you're interested in accessing some free ebooks, use one of these free ebook sites. One of the databases listed is O'Reilly. It's a great database for business and technology books. O'Reilly requires an account that you must create using your Florida Tech email. We have a great research guide that'll help you with instructions on how to do that. So it has an introduction to what the O'Reilly platform is. It also gives you online access instructions, which tells you and explains how to create an account. You must use your Florida Tech email. Just follow the directions that are listed here on the page. There's also mobile access instructions. The O'Reilly database has an app available for your phone that you can download. And then you must create an account the same way you create an account for online access instructions. If you ever have any questions about eBooks, you're welcome to contact me. My email is listed there on this screen, or you can just ask a librarian using our chat or phone. Thank you, and have a great day.